Hello viewers! First of all, I'm going to show you some amazing videos based on fruit characters. I want you to watch them carefully, one by one, and notice how engaging and visually appealing they are.
Meet Strawbella. She believes in true love, but will her heart survive? Wait! Banania just arrived, and she's already—
Along with that, I'll also show you these videos with voiceovers, including watermelon, banana, orange, and strawberry characters. This is a fruit-based niche, and right now it is trending massively. So viewers, without wasting any time, you've already seen these viral videos. Now go to YouTube and search for the channel AI Cinema TV. After searching, you'll notice that this channel has around 20K plus subscribers with only a limited number of videos. This channel was created recently, yet it's growing rapidly, which clearly shows the power of this niche. I've already opened their popular videos section, and you can see this is all about Fruit Love Island style content, which is currently trending a lot. Now, carefully analyze these videos one by one. Look at the characters, the scenes, and the creativity behind them. These videos are highly unique, visually attractive, and extremely engaging. Honestly, after watching these, I felt really inspired. That's why I decided to create another fruit-based niche for you. Previously, all fruit niches I shared performed really well, and you guys loved them. So here we are again with another powerful idea. Now that you've explored the channel and its views, today we are going to create similar viral-style content step by step. So, without wasting any more time, let's move toward the prompts. Viewers, today I've made things even easier for you. I've already generated all the prompts for you, so you don't have to go anywhere or search anything on ChatGPT. You'll find all these prompts in the description link of my video. Just click the link and everything will be ready for you. There are different prompts like waterfall couple scene, strawberry girl close-up shots, and many more. All of these prompts are designed based on the same Fruit Island niche I just showed you. My goal is to save your time because your time is very valuable, and I don't want you to waste it. Now, I'll show you all the prompts one by one. You simply need to copy them. And now, let's move to the most important step, the free AI tool called Flow AI. Yes, viewers, this is a 100% free AI tool, and today we will generate both images and videos using this tool. Click on the Create with Flow option. As you can see, new models like Nano Banana 2 have been introduced, but I recommend you use Nano Banana Pro for better results. Now select the aspect ratio 9.16 and choose 2x generation so you can generate 2 images at once. Alright viewers, now I'm going to my prompt section where I've already prepared all the prompts. I'll copy my first prompt and paste it here. After pasting, I simply click on the Generate option. Now I need to wait for a few seconds because this website is completely free, and free tools usually take a little bit of time to process. So don't worry, it will take around 30 to 40 seconds. And now you can see, my first 2 images are ready. These images look absolutely amazing and very high quality. I generate 2 images at a time so you can choose whichever one you like the most and download it. Now I'll copy my second prompt, paste it here, and click on Generate again. Let's wait a bit. Alright, the second image is ready, but honestly, it's not exactly what I was expecting. The fruit character isn't generated perfectly the way I wanted, so now I'll try using a better and more optimized prompt. The third image is also ready, but again, it's not that impressive. Now, when I use the fourth prompt, you can clearly see that the strawberry girl character is generated perfectly, just like the example I showed you earlier. This means the prompt is now working properly. Now I'll copy the fifth prompt, paste it, and click Generate again. After waiting a few seconds, you can see that the orange girl character is also ready, and it looks absolutely perfect. So viewers, sometimes a few prompts may give you slightly off results, but most of the prompts work perfectly, and the prompts I'm giving you will generate results just like these. High quality, clean, and visually appealing. Now I'll continue copying the remaining prompts one by one, paste them, and click Generate. After a short while, you can see that all my images are now ready. Banana character, watermelon character, and all the others. I'm showing them to you one by one so you can see how amazing, trending, and high quality these images look. Honestly, the results from Nano Banana Pro are incredible. You can also use Nano Banana too, but personally, I prefer Nano Banana Pro because it gives much better results. Now I'll start downloading all the images one by one. Now, after downloading everything, let's move to the most important step. In this step, we will add animation and voiceover, and the tool will generate everything automatically. Now let's move to the video section. Alright viewers, now let's move to the next step. First of all, you need to set your resolution to 960 and make sure to use VO 3.1 because it allows you to generate a video in just 20 credits. And the best part is, Flow AI gives you around 150 free credits when you log in with a single Gmail account. Now I'm going to convert all these images into videos, one by one. Let's start with the Strawberry Girl. First, select the image, then write your prompt according to your preference. You can control the movement, actions, expressions, and even the voiceover based on your prompt. I've written my own prompt based on how I want the scene to look. Now I'll click on the Generate option. This process usually takes around 1 minute because video generation requires a bit more time. And now you can see my first video is ready.
Meet Strawbella. She believes in true love, but will her heart survive?
Complete with voiceover and smooth motion. It looks absolutely amazing. And the best part is, it generated an 8-second video using only 20 credits. Now let's move to the second image, the Orange Girl. I'll select it, add my prompt, and click Generate. After waiting for about a minute, you can see that the second video is also ready.
Friendships are forming fast. But not everything is as sweet as it looks.
In this scene, I added a prompt where another character is interacting with her, and the result looks really engaging. Now I'll select the Banana Girl, add a proper prompt, and click Generate again. After a short wait, the video is ready, and honestly, it looks incredible. She's enjoying with her friends and the animation feels very lively. Now for the fourth one, I'll select the Watermelon Girl, add the prompt, and generate the video. And after waiting for a bit, the video is ready. Now we have multiple videos generated, and all of them look very high quality and engaging. I've personally created many videos using this method, and the results are always impressive. Now I'll download all these videos one by one, because we need to save them for the final editing. You already know how to arrange these clips in sequence using CapCut, so I won't waste your time explaining that again. And with that, today's video comes to an end. I hope you really enjoyed this video and found it valuable and unique. If you did, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more amazing content like this. I'll be back with another powerful and unique video very soon. Until then, take care and goodbye.